Yes. Good morning, students. So I think that you are a previous second year students, the science students. The science students are always in a research field to keep your mind to find new one things, so that the value of the science is built up on your hands. So according to this one, I teach you people in the main important topic belongs to in previous second year students, that is the continuity and differentiability. So I introduce myself. I am Dr. Basangouda Police Patil. So I am a lecturer, the teacher, professor and also research scholars to research the new one in mathematics. So that I teach you today the important topic for JEE students, CET students to take the opportunity for this topic. It is the, I think that this chapter is the heart of the your previous second year mathematics, because the differentiation is the part of the calculus. You know calculus. The calculus is the heart of the mathematics in every field you say. So that among this calculus we take the one chapter of differentiation, that is called continuity and differentiability and differentiation. So now I take one activity, students, just to see this is very fine. F activity number 1, just I write here, just to see one activity I just teach you. F is called real values function. It may be, you know, real numbers. The real numbers including it may be natural numbers, integers, so that, and rational, irrational numbers also. So that is called the F. F is called a real value function. This real value functions is holds good one continuous function. So what is continuous? The F is a real value function, that is I said it is called F of x. The F of x is also called F. Those are real values. The F of x is a continuous if and only if it is satisfies the both left hand and right hand limits. We know limit of in PUC first year. So I write limit f of x as x tends to a plus. This is called as right hand limit. It is simply called as RHL, right hand limit. Similarly, I tell you limit f of x as x tends to a minus. This is called left hand limit. Simply I write LHL, so that this RHL and LHL satisfies the function. Such function is called as continuous function. Continuity of the function. Once again I tell you students, just to remember this one. What is continuous function? A function f of x is a continuous if and only if the left hand and right hand limits are valid or holds good, both are equal. That is called as a continuous function. Suppose in this chapter we check that certain functions he is giving here. He has given, I think, that such functions are, it may be continuous or not continuous. We want to check. One question is there. Check the continuity of the function. Example number 1. Check the continuity of the function. One single function is there. That is f of x is equals x square plus 2x plus 1 at x is equals 1. Just to see. What is x equals 1? X equals 1 means that is a limit point. I might understand you people. If have studied in PUC first year. In first year, trigonometry and calculus, you say the limit functions. So that this is very easy to you people. How it is find out? First I take solution. Given function is this much, x square plus 2x plus 1. Whether we check the right hand and left hand limits are valid or holds good or not, just to check. Therefore, I take that x is equals 1. Suppose I say f of 1, instead of x, you substitute 1. What is that? 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. Because you are PUC second students, I can't say these like steps. I write in direct steps. This is 1 mark question or new type questions. So that according to the blueprint of this chapter, the 19 to 20 marks is available in annual examination. Be remember, in this chapter, the 4 marks and 5 marks questions are compulsory to solve, so that you make score of the examination. Be remember, this is very important chapter. So what is that? That is equals 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, total is 4. So f of 1 is 4. Just to see. Similarly, I take, shall I strike out this one? Okay. Then I take our left hand limit. What is left hand limit? LHL is equals limit f of x as x tends to 1 minus. See, in left hand limit, the over minus is left hand, plus is right hand. Be careful. So then I write, what is our function f of x? F of x is limit as x tends to 1 minus. So x square plus 2x plus 1. This is your limit points. That is equals. So that instead of x, you substitute 1, the 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. Answer is, shall I write answer? 4. So LHL. Remember students, I think I understood. You may understand this point. This step is very important, right? Once you understand the LHL, automatically we find RHL limits also. Right? Okay. I take next. The limit right hand side. RHL is equals limit f of x as x tends to 1 plus is equals. So limit at x tends to 1 plus, what is that? X square plus 2x plus 1. Whenever x is there, you substitute 1. That is, therefore, that is equals 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is 4. So that RHL. Just to consider, students, just to consider. What is that? Your limit functions is 4, RHL is 4, then LHL is 4. So both are equal. So I write here. Just to consider. Therefore, f of x is equals LHL is equals RHL is equals 4. So according to the definition of your continuous function, what is the status? It states that a function f of x is continuous if and only if LHL, RHL are equal. So here both are equal. What you say? Yes, this is called continuous function. Once the function is continuous, we say both right hand limits, left hand limits are equal. Right? So I take another example. You say another important example. The point of the examination I take here. There is a double value functions, variable functions. here is there. Whether the function is continuous or not, we take, what is that? F of x is equals, second question, second example, f of x is equals, I write here function x cube, comma, that is x cube plus 3 if x is not equal to 0. Here, this is one function. Similarly, other function is there, that is that 1 if x is equals 0. Whether this is the continuous function or not at x is equals 0. It's continuous or not. So, previous problem I solved only single valued function. Here is double valued function is there. How we find? Just we check it first. Right? Solution. Your function is f of x. Your limit point is 0 always. Both are 0. F of x is equals always 1. Just to consider. Right? Then I write put your limit value is 0. So f of 0 is 1. Similarly, I take RHL is limit as f of x as x tends to what? 0 plus is equal. I take here x cube plus 3. Instead of x, you substitute zeros. So 0 cube plus 3 is always 3. Understood? Yes. Next, find out it. Similarly, the function is constant. This function is variable, and LHL I take is equals limit as f of x as x tends to 1 minus is equals limit. Yeah, see, I want to write here limit here, just to consider limit point as x tends to 0 minus. Yeah. What is that? X cube plus 3 equals, what is that? 0 plus 3, which is 3. Just to consider here. So that function is not continuous, he asked the question. Or it may be function is continuous or not. See, first function, f of 0 function is 1. Left hand limit is 3. Right hand limit is 3. If it is function as continuous or not? Yes, no, it is not continuous. Because, just to see, because f of x is not equal to RHL equals LHL. So, function is not continuous at x equals 0, or you say it is called as discontinuous functions. Okay? Yes, students, according to this one, then we call 3-value functions, 4-value functions, single-value functions, 4 marks questions, 2 marks questions, 5 marks question we consider. So that today's, just I understand that, according to you people, this is very helpful to you people for the new type questions, CET examinations, JEE examinations, is the helpful for this topic for only for 2 marks questions and 1 marks question. So that I think if you have understood this one, right? In the next class, I take you another important questions to solve. How the limit functions are arises, how the differentiation functions are comes under the discontinuity, what are the trigonometric functions, implicit functions and modulus of functions, just we consider. Okay, yes, now I conclude my class. Okay, students, any doubts means please ask me. Okay, yes, shall I end this function? Yes, ending my class. Yes, okay, thank you very much, students.